Hello everybody, this is the basement bathroom remodel part 2. Well, you can see here, we start to tile the shower and we're using this leveling system. The spin doctor works really wonderful. We added tints in the back of the tile, super critical step, don't forget that. Added tints in the walls, and something that I recommended to everybody, make sure you have a good laser level. It really helps a lot, and also it helps with matching the lines of the tiles. You can see here, works really well. And the spin doctor, I really like this leveling system. It really works. Sometimes you buy something and doesn't work, but this one really does. It works pretty well. Also make sure you guys have a lot of levels. And here we have 1, 2, 3 levels, and also we have a small one. When you guys start to tile the shower pan, make sure take your time. Don't rush it. I see a lot of people rush it and they do mistakes. Just don't do it. Take your time. If something's not right, check, talk to someone, call someone, and it will make sure everything's done correctly. It's super critical that water goes outside the house and of course in the drain. You can see here, if you have any questions, you can always put a comment and use the level here. You can see we have the right pitch in the drain. My hand is under it. The drain the water is gonna go fast in the drain. It's gonna be pretty nice, this shower, this big walk-in shower. So I was pretty happy with this drain, the way it turned out. You can see here, everything's neutral. Again, it's a basement bathroom remodel. We're using the shoulder trim in the corners. Something we did here is we're using this Moen trim. I really like it. It looks really nice. We added new lights, new bathroom fan, new vanity, new toilet. And this drain works fantastic. This is a drain hair catcher. Make sure don't throw away this part. But it turned out pretty good. And then the floor looks really nice. Pretty much neutral. And we want to make sure there's a lot of light here. The homeowner, she want to make sure everything's a lot of light here. New door is going to be painted in a couple weeks. And also, it's going to be a brand new door. You will see in a minute. That turned out pretty good. I forgot to mention, I always recommend to have a good bathroom fan. This bathroom fan is 110 CFM, super critical step. Here, Seattle Shower Doors installed this door. They do a really good job. This door is self-closing. Works really good. A lot of parks. It's kind of funny when they open the doors, a lot of parks always. They do a really good job. It looks really nice. Sliding doors, pretty modern, and also really function. You can open for the door for each side. It was really good. If you guys have any questions about bathroom remodels or kitchen remodels, please let me know, and I'll be happy to help you. Otherwise, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Ciao.